অনেস্টলি আমিও প্রথমে ভাবিনি যে একটা অর্ডিনারি বোতল থেকে এরকম কিছু একটা বানানো যেতে পারে।
হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল TheMonaZine। আমি মোনালিসা। আমার কাছে একটা জিনিস খুব অদ্ভুত লাগে, কি জানো তো, সামটাইম দ্য থিংস উই আর রেডি টু থ্রো অ্যাওয়ে দে অ্যাকচুয়ালি হ্যাভ সো মাচ পটেনশিয়াল। দিস ওয়াজ জাস্ট আ বটল, রাইট? সিম্পল গ্লাস বটল। বাট আমি যখন এই বোতলটাকে দেখলাম, আমার মাথায় একটা আইডিয়া এলো। হোয়াট ইফ I turn this into a little handmade doll? And because I love adding little story to my artwork, I didn't want to make just a doll. I wanted her to have a whole personality. I decided she's going to be a little sunflower girl. Lots of detail, basket, flower, hat. How was it? How was my idea? Let's go start it.
And this is the part where I always remind myself, don't look at the bottle as a bottle. Look at the shape. আর্টের এটাই মজা, তাই না? You don't always need expensive materials. Sometimes you just need to look at the ordinary object differently. I started building the shape slowly with the clay. And honestly, clay work looks very easy until you actually start doing it. But I actually love this imperfect stage. At first, she is just a bottle. Then suddenly there is a little face, there is a dress, there is a personality, little details, flower. Once I complete the clay part, I am covering her with tissue and glue. Since I decided to make her a flower girl, I wanted the flower theme to continue throughout the entire piece. So I am adding tiny sunflower to her dress. And now comes for the most dangerous part. Yes, the face, because one tiny mistake here and she can go from cute little girl to someone who is judging my entire life. You know, I always get nervous at this stage because once the eyes are there, suddenly the character feels alive. I choose green color for her dress. Painting is always the moment when everything starts coming together. The plain clay become color, the clothes start looking real, the tiny flowers start appear, and suddenly the character I imagine in my head is sitting right in front of me. I think this is why I love handmade art so much. Because you are not just making an object, you are slowly watching an idea become real. At this point, technically she was finished, but if you have been following my art from a while, you know me. I don't know when to stop adding detail. So obviously, I added a few more flowers because apparently one sunflower was not enough, right? Okay, I think she is ready. From a plastic waste bottle to this. If you enjoy watching this little bottle transformation, you can subscribe to TheMonaZine and come create something with me again. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. See you soon.